Nobody.
At all.
Who can take my place?
Who can be me?
Nobody.
At all.
Who got something to say?
Who gon' say it?
Everybody. Who gon' say it to my face?
Who brave enough?
Nobody.
I thought so.
Who gon' take this case for me?
Who?
Nobody. My bills late. Who gon' pay them for me?
look out?
Nobody.
Exactly.
If I'm down bad stuck, who gon' be there for me? Nobody.
Exactly.
How I know? Cause I was down bad and ain't see nobody.
Exactly.
Remember times I wasn't lit, kept on grinding, stuck to this. I hit my jeweler, blow a brick, the baddest hoes, I take my pick. I can pop my shit without no worries, I'm gon' pop my flick. I walk around with ice all on my watch, they think I pop my wrist. I be in the crib with it, I don't wanna deal with them. Outside, there's too many suckers dressed up like real niggas. Telling me it's politics and this gotta be friends with them. Watch us not be friends with them niggas and still get it. Rose gold on the Rolls Royce, that's my nigga Lace. You see Doc hanging out with Drake, that's a nigga face. Come around, help us build the table, you can get a plate. Take your time, nigga, it's a marathon, not a race. Who in my way?
I don't see him.
Nobody.
At all.
Who can take my place?
Who can be me?
Nobody.
At all.
Who got something to say?
Who gon' say it?
Everybody. Who gon' say it to my face?
Who brave enough?